Alright. Got a little raking to do. I get on the 275 with the Miller Pro. What is that? 1150. Got a little hay to rake up here. Took forever to get this stuff to dry. Should make a bale or two. Huh. There we are. Probably rigged this up to singles. I'm doubling it up. Got that field all raked up. Now we got the 165 out with the Vicon, I'll remember the number, header 4 basket. Let's stir this field up again. See if we can get it to dry down a little bit more. All the heading done. One thing left to do. All the hay that got raked up. Man, them are some nice windrows. Looks a lot browner on screen than it does. It's still nice and green. Got the 1085 hooked to the John Deere baler. And an empty kicker wagon. See how this goes. That went pretty good. One more full roll. And a little bit. That wagon's going to be full. Just a bit. We'll see. That's a good looking road. Take that beautiful looking wagon load of hay and back it in there, right in the lean-to for tonight. One more tractor to run this evening. Take that mess there and put it in that there. So we'll run one more tractor, the 560. With the high lift on it.